100 square feet house and you are going to make only 600 square feet. What about that 100 square feet? Are you paying the people that extra money?
Yes, I will. Firstly, I would not want to pay money to anyone. Is my first option.
Yeah.
But if because of my planning constraint, if I have to do that, obviously I have to pay
You
you.
have to pay. And there was one more question I would like to ask you. Suppose think we have chosen you and some of them want to sell their flats and go away from here. Are you going to buy the flats from them?
Depending on the number of people who come forward to sell the flat and what the price is,
Okay.
we will have a conversation then.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
एनीबडी और किसी को कुछ पूछना है? बार बार ये सेशन नहीं होगा. क्या है? नहीं आया.
I differ with Mr. Gaitonde a little. I think, this is not a very easy decision for most of you all. So, if you have to call me again and again and again, so that you feel more comfortable in your mind, I am happy to come and solve your problems and answer your questions. These questions may be repeated, asked again and again because some of you all have not understood the answer. Not a problem. Please keep asking me. Only then, I want someone who is satisfied in their mind, versus, everyone else is doing it and the 10-20% people have to drag along. This is not a situation that I would ideally want. So you can call me anytime you want.
जो मैंने 5 बोला है, वन बेडरूम के हाल में उसके ऊपर थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिएगा.
सर मैं प्लान देखूंगा ना.
हाँ जी, प्लान देख के, क्योंकि दैट विल अफेक्ट अबाउट 35 to 40 पीपल. So they will not like to come because they will not get anything.
सर एक तो पहले है ना, एक चीज़ है ना समझ लो कि मैं ना आपकी साइड हूँ. वी आर नॉट ऑन अपोजिट साइड. अगर और मैं नेगोशिएशन और वो ज़्यादा मतलब खींचन तानी के मूड में नहीं हूँ. ऐसा होता ना तो पहली ही मिनट में आपके बैल्कनी की बात होती, बैल्कनी दे दूंगा ऐसा बोलता नहीं. आई वुड हैव हेल्ड दैट बैक और बाद में जब खींचमतानी होती बोला चलो बालकनी दे दो, ऐसे करता हूँ. और मैं तो आपका अगर ये लीगल होगा मतलब ये मिलना चाहिए तो 100% मिलेगा. आप चिंता मत करना.
ठीक है. ये पॉइंट मैंने लास्ट टाइम इनके भी साथ बोला था कि दिस इज वैसे, और इन्होंने बोला था वट एवर एरिया यू हैव गॉट यू विल गेट.
सर इसमें क्या है कि लीगल इलीगल कोई भी तरह से अपन बना, पूरा सोसाइटी ने डिसाइड कर दिया मानो कि चलो यहाँ पे 50-50 फुट एक्स्ट्रा बना दो. अभी तो सबका है तो म्यूनसिपालिटी बोलेंगे नहीं हमारे प्लान के हिसाब से ये एरिया नहीं था. तो लेट मी जस्ट हैव अ लुक एट इट इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग ऑन एंड ऑन अबाउट इट. लेट्स लुक एट इट. लेकिन एक बात है, आपका क्वेश्चन स्टार्टेड द बॉल रोलिंग. एकदम पर्टिनेंट एंड द करेक्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट यू आस्क्ड. जैसे स्टार्ट किया. थैंक यू.
Sir, Mr. Sean Borthwick has asked one question. So, agreement for existing flat owners will be made as per MOFA or RERA?
No, so they will be whatever the law applicable. Maybe I am assuming it will be according to RERA, but because your area is MOFA, so that you don't have disadvantage in losing your area or something, we will give you MOFA area. But I think RERA will prevail over as far as the legality is concerned. But I'll still check and we'll let you know the next time.
It's over, I think. और किसी का कुछ questions पूछना नहीं ना?
हाँ.
My name is Vinsukar. For cluster development, I think road condition is for 12 meters, so existing road is 9 meters. So how you can proceed?
So there is something that I have thought of, and once we go forward, you are right. I am also aware that this road is 9 meters, and I have to cross that hurdle. And because many people may not be able to cross, they may want to do a cluster one, but they will not be able to wade through this problem. But somehow I am confident I will be able to do it. I have discussed it with people in the municipal corporation, and there is a way out.
Actually, I wanted to ask a few questions, but almost all questions asked by you people and answered by.
Are you feeling bad?
Thank you so much. No. तो थैंक यू सो मच, ऑलमोस्ट ऑल डाउट्स आर क्लियर. आपका कुछ भी और डाउट है तो पूछिए, अदरवाइज वी विल वाइंड अप दिस मीटिंग. What is the life of new building?
60 years or something is what I would assume with the salty air that Mumbai has and everything. We've noticed, that good buildings also. Normally 75 years is the maximum. Like you say, if you say a car lasts about 9-10 years. 10 years is the life of a car. People may drag it on for 14-15 years also, but 10 years. Or human life today with all these other things, it is about 90 years. Similarly, the building life would be about 70-75 years. It again depends on the maintenance, how you all maintain the building.
Ajit Nair from Qatar, Muscat, he has asked one question. Will we be compensated when BMC takes over the road area from our existing flood?
No, sir. If BMC compensates you, you can take that money. I have no issues. I will have not put my claim on the area that, the money that BMC gives you for the road. But in my opinion, no, you will not get it.
You will get extra FSI? Extra FSI you will get?
Sorry?
Extra FSI you will get?
For the road?
Yeah.
No. See, we have already we are taking the whole plot. So we are getting FSI on the plot. In fact, if they take the road, the FSI will become lesser because the FSI is on the net plot. I mean, the TDR is on the net plot, not on the gross plot. So it would actually work the other way around. It would not benefit me, it would be a loss to me. Yes, sir.
The adjoining plot is an open ground.
I can't hear you.
The adjoining plot is an open area. I actually don't know who is the owner of that area. So there is a possibility that he can have an access through that plot to the next connecting road.
Yes, that's what Mr. Chairman asked me to see if I can help, and I said yes to that. He said we can help connect that piece and so that it leads to the bigger road. Correct? Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Harish sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am, for good presentation.
On behalf of the society, I thank Mr. Mehta for enlightening us with all this the redevelopment program. I thank you and your team. I thank you very much on behalf of the society. Okay?
And please feel free to call me anytime you have a time.
and नजदीक लेके
हेलो,
Yeah.
सुनाई देता है क्या? अच्छा, हरीश भाई मुझे भूल गया है, मगर मैं हरीश भाई को 16 बरस से पहचानती हूँ.
हाँ जी.
आपको याद होगा सिद्धेश विला?
हाँ.
याद है ना?
हाँ, हाँ.
हिंदू बहन.
बराबर.
अच्छा, तो मुझे यही खाली कहना है कि सिद्धेश विला हरीश भाई ने बांधा है, जिसमें मैं रहती थी. मेरी मम्मी का उधर घर है और उन्होंने मेरा और उनका थोड़ा ये हो गया था. मैं जैसे पब्लिक को डाउट होता है वैसा मैंने हरीश भाई को बोला था कि मुझे टाइम में आपको फ्लैट दे देंगे ना, पोजीशन तो मिल जाएगा ना. तो 2 बरस का लिखा हुआ था एग्रीमेंट पे, मगर 15 महीने के बाद उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया तो हम लोग सब डर गए थे कि भाई ये बड़ा बिल्डर है, हमको क्यों बुलाया. मगर मुझे केबिन में आके बोला कि आपको डाउट था तो सबसे पहला पोजीशन और सबसे पहली चाबी मैं आपको देता. नंबर 1. Number 2, many people were telling that 5 people, 6 people, they were going together and for registration duty and people have doubt. But Harish Bhai is the only builder who has called all our 39 people. Ours was a very small chal. You remember, no?
Yes, yes.
CPT, first Parsiwada. And everybody came together. And not a single people he has left. He called everybody, everybody's agreement, our paper, everything one by one. Every word we have read each together, and everybody was satisfied. He has given us such a nice building. Still today, if you go to Siddesh Villa, there are, I think, kitna, there is 120 flats are there. Not a single person will tell you that we are unhappy.
No, so I'll tell you,
It is a very,
I have
very
been-
nice.
I have been blessed. There are, like Pranay Madam is saying, there are chawls in South Bombay which would not fetch, maybe if they try to sell the room, it would not fetch them 20, 30, 40 lakhs of rupees. But after redevelopment, they could sell that place for 1.5 crores and now 2 crores. So all of these guys, they bless me and they tell me कि आपने हमको करोड़पति बना दिया.
Yes, anybody if you go, they will tell. Not only that, but the planning he has made in such a way that each and every flat is getting full light, sunlight, water and everything. So I really appreciate, I know him since last 16 years. Haresh bhai.
Thank you, man. Thank
और
you.
उन्होंने जो दरवाजा दादर जो बनाया है, people were afraid. I have seen. Now another one more problem I am facing, you know, Gaitoni sir मालूम है. So the building is very big, 22 floor building. Ours is also 19 floor, 20 floor building. But he has kept one point in the mind that the Dadar's place is so big he has kept that in time of any emergency, any fire or anything, even 30-40 people can run down at a time.
Staircase के बारे में बोल रहे हैं.
That is the staircase. That
No,
is a very
so-
important thing.
Yeah, correct. So it is important, but now it is required by the municipal corporation also to have such wide staircase. Now, if I construct something which is more than 70 meters, which is about 20, 21 floors, I have to give 2 staircases of 2 meters each. So 2 meters is very wide,
Very
6-7
wide,
feet.
very wide.
So I have to give that kind of a thing. And like I said, there are small things now which don't cost too much money, but it may help.
One more point I am telling you that it was a return that 11 feet height most of the people, developers are giving. So we have written in the agreement that we require exactly 10.50 height. And another building was going out in the next time. He has given 9 feet height only, but Haresh bhai has given our full height and he has given such a big loft inside. If you make a loft, it takes so much energy and time, money waste to be there.
So
He has
this
given
goes
enough
against
loft.
me in this particular
Loft is
area.
also
I'll
very
tell you why.
important.
I'll tell you why. Here we have a height restriction. Okay. So if I don't mind giving 11 feet also because I can go 50 floors if I want to. But yes, I don't like to give 9 feet height ka flats. 10 is something is what my wish would be. Finally, after the people come to live. Also, let me tell you, most people here do not understand a plan. And if I have to present the plan properly and show you and explain it to you, I can make all of you all very, very happy. But it is only after you go to live in that flat will you start finding faults with it. There would be faults or whatever. So I pride myself in saying that there is minimal wastage in the planning that I do, and the room sizes and everything is good. So it shouldn't be that in a bedroom now you have only a 4 feet wardrobe. Indian families and have a lot of things that they don't like to throw anything, and wardrobe spaces and storage spaces are very important. So everything has to be kept in mind. In that, after, if we keep interacting, firstly, if you decide to go with me, choose me, and then I will say, कि ये आप 575 बोलते हो ना, ये 625 करो ना, बहुत अच्छा बनेगा. And then the dialogue will start, and पैसा नहीं है. The normal thing, I can relate to what people are going to say, and I know how it is going to end also. So thank you so much. Thank you, Pandey.
Most of the time we are seeing the advertisement in the newspaper about all the details, whether it is redevelopment or the new construction. It is Maharera. We are yet to see as a living. So when you go to sell other additional flat, you will be required to be selling it under Maharera.
Yes, I will sell the flats under Maharera.
So you will be covering both Maharera and Mofa.
MOFA is for the existing members. So those existing member flats are not selling anyway. Like I explained to this gentleman here, that if the flat that I give you is, let's say, 700 square feet, and there is a flat exactly the same which is above you, and I'm selling in the market, I'd probably sell it at 730 square feet Reza carpet, and yours is 700 Mofa carpet.
But then last, this Maharera covers give more advantages to the existing members.
Maharera gives you protection, meaning Maharera is very vigilant and they watch everything, any kind of a complaint, they do not allow us to deviate from the design, the time is managed, money has to go into escrow account. There are so many things that they monitor that, you know, chances of developers failing reduces then because of all this.
But it is sound and safe.
Yes, yes, yes. It is much better than it was. Earlier was Ramraj, now it is a little.
Thank you very much, sir.
एक क्वेश्चन है कि जो आप जो सेलेबल बिल्डिंग बनाओगे और हमारे लिए जो बनाओगे उसमें टू मच डिफरेंस नहीं आना चाहिए. वी फील प्राउड फॉर आवर बिल्डिंग. दैट्स व्हाट ओनली कमिटमेंट वी रिक्वायर्ड.
आपका फ्लैट,
ईच एंड एवरीवन.
आप लोगों का फ्लैट जो बनेगा ना, वो आप समझ के चलो, समझो 600, 700, 800, 900 स्क्वायर फीट आपको वापस देने का आएगा मेरे को. 1000-1200 फुट का फ्लैट जब तक मैं बनाऊंगा ना, आपका फ्लैट और वो फ्लैट में कोई फर्क नहीं होगा. अगर मैं 2000 फुट का फ्लैट बनाऊंगा तो उनकी एमिनिटीज, या तो 2000 फुट का फ्लैट शायद होगा ना, तो वो लोग बोलेंगे हमको कुछ नहीं चाहिए, हम खुद बना लेंगे.
या आई सॉ दैट.
सो यू डोंट वरी.
ओके.
हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान मतलब हमको पुराना नया कुछ नहीं करना है. आप लोग हैं तो हमको, हम ये काम करेंगे तो हम 2 पैसा कमाएंगे और आपको अच्छा घर मिलेगा.
एग्जैक्टली.
एंड इसी ये सब करने के बाद और देने के बाद, इफ आई लीव अ sour taste in your माउथ, is not right, na? So I would not want to do that. Okay.